go.
Getting geared up. What we got?
Of course, we got the dirty old trapper. Classic.
Old trapper.
Classic Riverman.
Got Pete here with us today. And out there. Actually, it's nighttime. We're prepping. You might as well just put it in.
You want your monster right now, Bird?
Yeah. Alright. To McDonald's.
Let's go. Let's do it.
That's it.
Thank you.
Damn.
Dude, I'm gonna smack this board.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. We just walked in about halfway to our spot. We're in Maryland right now. The annual wood duck hunt. Last year I think we shot a 7-man limit, so we're hoping to repeat this year. We got nine shooters today, so we got a good chance of getting on them. But yeah, we gotta go set up, so we'll catch you there.
It's like, no, I'm out here ripping black buffalo. I rock with the herd, man. Oh. I ride with the herd.
Who has it's like you ride with the herd rides with you.
Yeah, like aim it towards them.
No. They're not pouches? Good one. They're just shitty old sweet dick. Oh, I almost just spit on your hand.
Oh. That would have been super nice.
Yeah, I bet you. Let's get this stuff out of the sled and just on the dry land for now. Just so we don't have an accident.
Ride the light. Feel the thunder.
Can I throw this Lucky heavy metal out there that's rusty? The Lucky heavy metal? It's the Lucky heavy metal, dude. Should I put it in the Jeeps? Oh. Once I see my pin, yeah. I actually want them farther away. I want hard shots. I have a full choke. So do I. I'm letting her eat full choke, 10 yards. Me too. Blowing them up.
I got 3.5.
I'm shooting 3.5 inch number 2s too. There ain't gonna be much of a bird left. Man.
What are you shooting, Zach?
I'm shooting 4-shot, boys. 3-inch 4-shot.
Speed shocks.
And them speed shot federals. What are we shooting, Jake?
Got some heavy metal. We're going 3.5 4s. Have to. 3.5. Look at these things. It's gold, boys.
Shit.
Look how pretty they're coming. Yeah. Got them, boys.
That's you, Zach. He's coming right to you. Just pick him up. Nice shot, Pete. Boy, nice. That boy, Peter.
Okay, PK. He is right behind. Your fucking shell ejection hit me in the hand.
Decoy. Nicely done.
She gone.
She gone. Right here, 2. Left to right. Left to right. Oh yeah. Coming in, right at us.
Let's go, boys! What's up, boys?
Let's go.
Yeah, Jake.
Come here. Right over top of me.
Got him! What up, Pete? Got him! What up, Pete? Pete! Come on now! Come on now! Let's go! Let's go! Damn!
We're all 3 healthy ones.